Hi, my name is Chetsa. The question is, why do I want to study speech? I studied my undergrad in social science and I did a youth work major. This was at ACU in Victoria, Australian Catholic Uni in Victoria. And since then, I've worked a number of, I suppose, social work jobs across the sector. I've worked in domestic violence. I've worked in child protection, in family preservation, and recently I've just finished a job as an ops manager for a disability provider. In the meantime, or along that, I guess, professional journey, I've had I had a baby in 2017. She was born prematurely at only 26 weeks, and a lot of her body or her anatomy was quite underdeveloped because she was 26 weeks gestation and only 600 grams weight. So she has quite a lot of complex things going on: cerebral palsy, ASD level 3, she's non-verbal, she's got chronic constipation, she's got chronic lung disease, she's got cerebral vision impairment, cerebral palsy. There's a whole list of about 10 different things. She also had brain hemorrhaging at birth, so she's got 2 large cysts, and one in particular sitting on the left side of her brain, which is like the communication hub of her brain. Hence, she is nonverbal. Now, I have noticed that the sector, the allied health sector, does not, or there's not enough research around language and speech in a culturally and linguistically diverse society. A lot of the literature comes from someone being nonverbal or have communication barriers and going on to speak English. Even Auslan itself is in very limited dialects or other languages. So given I live with a nonverbal child and communication is quite a challenge, I over the years have done a little bit of research, and I would like to join the space as a person who is trilingual myself. And I guess I really am interested in research around even kids that are not neurodiverse, kids from neurotypical background but coming from a culturally diverse background, because the processing center is quite unique in that there's several languages or several communication channels besides English or zero communication to English. So that's why I want to study speech. I know I do not have biology or human anatomy. I am open to doing this as an elective, and I believe that this is something with maturity, with life experience, with intersection in the sector, both professionally and personally. I think this is something I can achieve. I think I've got something to bring to that space.